Tired of endless laundry sorting and guessing the right wash settings? The LG 4.5 cubic foot smart front load washer with built-in AI technology takes the guesswork out of laundry day. Advanced sensors detect fabric texture and load size, automatically selecting optimal wash settings for superior fabric care. TurboWash 360 technology uses powerful jets from multiple angles to deep clean large loads in under 30 minutes, perfect for busy families. The AAFA-certified allergen steam cycle removes over 95% of pet dander and dust, making it ideal for allergy sufferers and pet owners. Cold wash technology delivers warm water performance while saving energy with cold water washing. Connect to the ThinQ app for remote control, cycle notifications, and proactive maintenance alerts right on your smartphone. With smart pairing, the washer can even tell your compatible dryer which cycle to use, the ultimate laundry hack. The sleek black steel finish with tempered glass door and rose gold accents adds modern elegance to any laundry room. Transform your laundry routine from chore to convenience. Find the purchase link in the description and comments to revolutionize your wash day.